Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove a weather widget from our home screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. By default, we have our weather widget at the top of the screen right here. How to remove it? We simply tap and hold until we see this menu right here. We have a few options here, but we need to have our location enabled for it to work. But to remove it, we simply tap remove and it's gone. If you want to add it back, we have widgets here. There are a few options right here, as you can see. And our weather widgets are here. By default, as you can see, we have 4. Let's say we want this one, add. And now our widget is active. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.